My name is Terry Brown, and I'm the medical director of the St. Joseph Memorial Hospital Sleep Disorders Center, both in Murfreesboro and the one in Marion. Snoring is not normal in kids especially. Older adults may have some snoring, and it may not be a full-blown case of sleep apnea, particularly if it's just sort of loud breathing, maybe not exactly a snore. But clearly the kind of snoring people used to hear on the Three Stooges and things like that, clearly that type of snoring is abnormal.